I want to show you how to make a beautiful, quick and easy lemon and ricotta cake using just a few simple ingredients. The ricotta gives a super soft texture to the cake and those citrus flavors make it so fresh. The first thing we're gonna do is to add 2 eggs into a large bowl, along with the sugar, the honey, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, the zest of 1 lemon. Now whisk it well all together. You can see it getting thicker and creamier. Only at this stage we're gonna add the soft butter, then the ricotta. Now whisk it all again until the butter and ricotta are well incorporated. Next, I'm gonna sieve in the baking powder and the 00 flour. And finally, whisk in the flour as well. Use a spatula to collect any flour from the side, then whisk it again. Oh, the smell. And this one is the consistency you're looking for. Now pour the mixture into a lined baking tin. Spread it all around evenly. Now we're gonna bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't be scared about the color. You want that beautiful golden crust all over. While still nice and warm, we're gonna cover it nice in sugar and orange zest. And of course, more lemon. This is that kind of cake that you can have whenever you want. Whether it's for breakfast with coffee and tea or after a meal as a dessert, totally up to you. But I'm sure you're gonna love it. It's so light, that it's so easy to eat. And if you go for a second slice, I can understand why. Veramente buonissima.